The next two things that we're gonna go into, I feel so bad about these. These are the Sheer Envy Stick It to Pores Primer Stick, and then the Look Pro Bare It All Foundation and Concealer Stick. First of all, I hate this. Why are you putting a brush on the end of a makeup product? I hate that. To me, it just bugs the crap out of me because I feel like you're never going to get it clean, or you're going to be sitting in there with your brushes and your foundation, like just going at it. No, no. The other thing is, I didn't feel like these went on very well. I didn't feel like they went on very well. I actually had to use some of my other products. Now these are also hard candies, so I'm not dissing the brand, just those two specific products. This is the Sheer Envy Shine Free Primer and the Glamouflage Foundation. So I ended up using these along with the original products, and I feel like it really made my face look 10 times better. But them on their own, no. I won't be doing them on their own again. Maybe it's me, because they're both stick formulas, and I just really wasn't working it very well. But, and then the next thing on our list is the Hard Candy Just Glow Cruising the Coast Highlighter Trio. Now, as you can tell, one thing I will tell y'all is that this peachy color does not have as much pigment. I ended up mixing these two, and yeah, no, totally different story. Like, it is glowing. I felt so freaking like fierce as soon as this one on. I was like, yes, yes. But that retailed for $9. So again, really good use of their product. The next thing, and I lost one of the lids, it's on the floor like 20 feet from me, but I'm just not getting up, is the Poppin' Pigments. So I love pigments, but I'm going to tell you right now, a lot of drugstore brands do not offer loose pigments. So this is their Poppin' Pigment Trio. It is $8, and it comes with a silver, a gold, and a rose gold. The only thing, and the reason that the lid was off to begin with, that I will tell you that I did not like is that with this product, you have two different dispensing types. I don't know why they decided halfway through the bottle that they just wanted to switch to the freaking dumbass salt shaker style, but they did. And what happened is, I'm going to put the lid on here before I do this. I repeatedly found myself needing more product and tapping on the bottom of the bottle. Repeatedly. Like, I did both eyes and underneath, and I needed a lot of the gold and not as much of the rose gold, and I just couldn't get it. I don't know why, but it was driving me nuts. On to a brighter note real quick on to a couple brighter notes. Next thing on the list was the Be Bold Stroke of Gorgeous Colored Mascara in the shade Jet Black. Now, you may notice, and some people are going to probably crucify me for this, and I understand, but I have a hooded eye. As you can tell, like, I have all the creases on my eye. I have double folded hooded eyes, and my crease will actually come down right next to my lash line. So when I do fake lashes, and believe me, I do them, but it takes a lot out of me, especially when I do a look like this. It kills me not to have fake lashes on, but I can't because my eyes will irritate or get irritated by the lashes, and I'll get red marks on my eyes, and I'm not going to play with that. I'm always looking for thinner bands and things that work while still giving me, you know, some comfort. But so if you have any recommendations, let me know. But I went ahead and I just curled my lashes and I put this on, and I don't hate it. I feel like my lashes are still, you know, pretty big. And they're not, you know, bald, so they're not bad. This retails for $5, $5 or $6. I think it's $5 so. And so I was pleasantly surprised with that. And we're gonna do one more flop before I show you my final favorite item. Because if you know me, you'll know I'm a lipstick junkie. So you just wait. You gonna get it. But the next flop on our list was the Stroke of Gorgeous liquid eyeliner in the shade Little Black Dress. This retails for $6 and was an absolute train wreck. I hated it. I do not recommend this one. You might try one of their other ones, but as far as the thinner one, which I will usually jump for because I like to have a thin line, it did not do that at all. It was an absolute atrocity. It just kept, like, I'd have to push it down flat and then pull it, and then I got a stamp, and it just doesn't work. When you're doing a cat eye like this, you need to have a precise line, and the tip of this does not come out precise. I may have got a defective one. I don't freaking know. But I ended up having to use a different liner because I couldn't get it to work. So, that, no. We just not gonna do it. No. And then let me look up the price of the lip lacquer that I'm wearing. If you're not familiar with lip lacquers, I know that matte has become the thing over the last couple of years. But I live for a good glossy lacquer as well once in a blue moon. So what that basically means is it is a lipstick. It is a lipstick, but it is not a matte finish. It is a high gloss finish. It is very nourishing on the lips, but it'll still give you that, you know, bam, that you want. So this is the Whatever. See, I love the name. I thought it was so cute. Bold Hold Lip Lacquer. This is in the shade Ambitious. I thought with my channel getting started, this was very appropriate for us. And it's this beautiful, like, dark berry color. So when you get the packaging, you're going to open it up. And you have a little tiny mirror in there. You can kind of see my camera. Ooh, that's a light. You can see that it comes. I'm going to put my hand there. Come on. Okay. So it's very shiny, so it's causing my camera to not want to hold. But you're going to get your little lacquer in there and then a little mirror. I don't know, my mirror's dirty. I don't even know why. I haven't used the mirror. Or whatever. And then you just have your little lipstick will come out and you'll have your little carrying case. So I thought this was super cute. So you can put it in your bag and get on the go. They have a couple other ones that come in similar style packaging. So if you like the packaging specifically and you want this kind, they have the mousse ones and they have the satin formulas as well that you can do. But I feel like this really, you know, is flattering. It's not too crazy. My lips look uneven as shit, but that's just, you know, that's what I was bored with. So yeah, definitely this runs about $6. There's a lot of variety. This, for some reason, is considered a pink. I completely disagree, but it's me. But yeah, this one turned out to be absolutely beautiful, and I will be getting more of these because I have about 35 or more matte lipsticks, and I only have about 2 other lacquers that are by Black China, so, and they're just like completely off the walls and like blood red. They're gorgeous, but they're not really work appropriate. So that is it. Final thoughts on this. I really liked it. I think that the look came out great. It took a little bit more work because I was working with some new products. I didn't know what I was doing on some of these. But as far as the products themselves, I really liked it. If y'all want to see more of like the drugstore hauls or cruelty-free hauls, or anything like that where I get one, you know, specific type and do the full face using that, let me know. I definitely enjoyed doing this. I got to try out a bunch of new things that I wouldn't have normally tried, even though I do like the brand. I'm kind of a brand snob on certain products, so I'm trying to get out of my little bubble. So definitely, if you like this, you know, one look using, you know, one brand, or if you want to see more like product reviews for specific lines, let me know. I'm all about doing that for you guys. But I have been doing this since 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna go. It's 3 now. So bye, guys.